Ranking the seafood. Let's see. Tony, Montana. Number 8. Very good. Octopopulus.
Octopus.
Number 7. Very delicious. Let's see. Carab. Carab, number 6. See you. See you yesterday. Number 9. Snake.
Snake.
Number 10. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Number 4. Very good. Mosellan. Number 5. Calvar.
Kalbas.
Number 3. Let's see. Schweppes. Number 2 and number 1 is Lover.
Kayo na nga kumausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan, ha?